Hey guys, so this video is all about the Mazda MZD Connect voice command system. I've had some questions on how it works, so I'm going to attempt to show you guys how to get the optimal use out of this voice command system in the Mazda. So you can use it for not just GPS functions, but you can also use it for other functions. So let's get to it. If we go into the entertainment menu, you'll see that there are many different things that we can have here. FM, AM, AHA, Stitcher, Bluetooth, USB 1. So we can try and go to FM. So right now the music is on USB 1 and I'm going to press the voice activated button or voice command button.
Entertainment menu. Select an option.
FM. And if I want to go back to USB 1,
say a command.
USB 1. For example, we want to go to navigation. Press the voice command.
Say a command.
Navigation.
Say a command.
Right, so now you're in navigation and you want to find an address. So let's try a new destination.
Say a command.
New destination.
Which type of destination would you like?
Town.
Which city?
Port Elizabeth.
Port Elizabeth. To begin navigation, say start.
Start.
Navigating for selected address.
I'm going to attempt to cancel navigation.
Say a command.
Cancel navigation.
Are you sure you want to cancel the route?
Yes.
Route cancelled.
So let's go.
Say a command.
New destination.
Which type of destination would you like?
Favorite.
Say the desired line number. You can also say try again.
1.
To begin navigation, say start.
Start.
Navigating for selected address.
So there we can see the entire route that I've just selected. And I can see the road it's actually taking me on is the shortest possible route. So that's very good.
All I want to do.
Say a command.
Restaurants.
Say the desired line number. You can also say try again.
2.
To begin navigation, say start.
Start.
Navigating for selected address.
And now if we pinch to zoom out, we can see our entire route. The nice thing about this is you can actually zoom right out of the world if you don't have any idea where you are in the world. And the map's upside down right now. Just turn it around. Oh, it goes the other way. Okay.
Say a command.
Settings.
This feature cannot be controlled by voice. Please use the touch display or multi-controller in a safe manner. Exiting speech mode.
So this is an easy way of getting around your system.
What would we do?
And I'm going to go and find another country. So here we've got Harare, And let's say we're looking for an address around here. Okay, and we say, yep, navigate to weather at destination is 27 degrees because I'm connected to the internet right now, and 2,170 kilometers. 25 hours is what it's going to take to drive all the way there. Now what you can do to navigate to this, you just add it to your favorites. It was successfully added, 5th Avenue. Right, so now that you've saved your foreign destination into favorites, you can now just go to your favorites. So we say new destination. You can just go to favorites, and you can then go to that address that you loaded, and it's going to load it up there. We're going to say navigate to this place, and there it is. That's how you navigate to a foreign country. I hope this helps you guys. The next video is going to be about connecting your MZD Connect system to your phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot. So I hope you guys are going to find that helpful as well. And sorry, I'm just going to cancel this route because right now, let's cancel route. Yep, cancel. And there we go. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe and share. Cheerio.